this is Locks. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to vlog 70 of the hashtag 365 hour series. Today's lock is a Spear & Jackson 40mm brass padlock. It's only a small number, so I'm just still control and put it in the vise. See if you can get it in the vise. If at all possible. So I'm going to go to the top of the keyway. And stick with the number 4 hook for the Reaper set. This is the hook I've used in the last 2 vlogs. Well, these exact tools in the last two vlogs. And there we go. Struggling to feel the pins a bit there, but we got there in the end. So, Spear & Jackson, I think that's what it's called. 40mm padlock. Opened, I'll just show you the bitting. I'm glad I did it in the vise. That's some naughty bitting right there, aren't they? I wonder I was struggling to feel the pins. So there you go for vlog 70. Another lock opened. Thanks for watching. See you later.